Oh, it's not cooked? The potato is not cooked? Hello everyone, my name is Adu and this is Ready Go Expat. In today's video, I challenged my senior students to cook Western dishes. Since most of these kids are going abroad for college, I thought it was a fun idea to make a competition as the grand finale of our cooking classes. Some other teachers and I tried their dishes at the end and gave them a score from 1 to 5 based on the presentation and taste of each dish. So, curious to know who won? Ready? Go!
Our group made the dishes of a European fried fish, and I have tried it at my home. And it's from France, so I think we can spread the France culture to everyone.
Not bad.
Very
thick piece, string piece.
It's not well cooked. Or maybe that's just the way the steak is. Oh, it's not cooked? The potato is not cooked?
Our group prepares spaghetti and cookie for this performance and competition. The reason I choose spaghetti is because I used to that at home. I thought it's very delicious and very simple for us for the students who are going to go abroad to try it.
胡玉打几分？那个张琳打几分？
看起来5分。
4.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Did they season it themselves or?
Everything. It was from scratch, yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good.
I like meat.
But they didn't steam the cauliflower or the... And they just chop the onions.
That's pretty good. They did a really good job.
So one thing that I noticed is that this is very Chinese because they mix mayo with fruit and tomato together. It's still very Christmas, it looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful. I like the Christmas tree.
Oh, I feel warm. It's good flavor, it's a little bit dry.
There's chocolate inside. Yeah, no, there's chocolate. Bite it a bit more, John. There's chocolate in.
And it's very sweet.
Very sweet. It's good flavor, but it's a little bit dry.
Our group is making spaghetti and the fried chicken because when we go to America, we saw the spaghetti and fried chicken is the most popular food in America.
Be careful, okay, Rose?
Oh, sorry.
You need to try to get the sauce as well. There's onions, everything.
And the chicken.
And the onions as well.
And the onions.
please get this beef because it makes a difference. So I can feel more, like compared to that group, the first group, I think the onion, the garlic, and the beef makes the spaghetti taste good, but I think the sauce of that spaghetti was a bit better. What do you think? Like, even, I don't know.
Yeah. However, I can't really say that I like the other one over this one. I mean, it's got cilantro. Cilantro is super unusual in Italian pastas. It's a good combination of flavors, to be honest with you. And like Lynn said, the chicken is pretty well cooked.
Yeah.
I think the chicken is amazing.
Yeah.
Like the chicken,
I
And
agree with that.
like you said,
我
chicken
觉
is
得这个
excellent.
鸡肉有点太咸，我不喜欢这个鸡肉。
Process is a little too salty.
A little bit too salty, I agree. But I
And it's
think,
better if they put some pepper in it.
and here are the results. Group 1 scored 27, Group 2 scored 36, and Group 3 scored 36 as well. So, Groups 2 and 3 are the winners of this challenge. Now, the most important thing was to get these students to learn how to cook and also try Western products. I believe this will help them adapt to life abroad faster. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you next time.